The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Newton County in northwestern Indiana, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a line of tornado-producing storms were located along a line extending from near Hopkins Park to near Watseka, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Spotter reports have indicated tornadoes near St. Anne and Martinton within the past few minutes. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These tornadic storms will be near Hopkins Park around 4 p.m. Lake Village around 4:05 p.m. Morocco around 4:10 p.m. Roselawn around 4:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these tornadic storms include Brook. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.